How to copy Discord profile link on mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Let's go ahead and open up Discord. And once we do that, let's navigate to our profile page right here. And from here, scroll down till you find the app settings section. And from there, click on advanced. Then turn on the developer mode option and then go back. Now, when you do this, this option will allow you to copy yours and others people ID. So for example, if you see right here, this is my profile. If I clicked on it and click on the three dots at the top right corner, I can copy the username, but also I can copy the ID. So it's also the same for other people as well. You can copy others people ID. So let me first show you how you can copy your own profile link. So let's go ahead and copy my ID, and as you can see the ID has been copied. So what you need to do right now is you need to go back and open up any notes app you have, and you need to type in discord app.com slash users slash, and here you need to paste in the ID that you have copied. So this is right here is your Discord profile link. Now it goes the same thing for other people's as well. Let's go ahead and copy the other person's um, profile link. So just click on the profile, click on the three dots at the top right corner, click copy ID. Once the ID has been copied, again open any notes app and type in discord app.com slash users slash, and then paste in the ID that you have copied. And there you have it. You just copied your own profile link and also others profiles link. So that was it for this video. That's how you can copy profile link on Discord mobile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.